This is Dr. Antelak from the General Dentist. Today we're discussing how to replace missing teeth. And the one method that we do have and use in the certain case is called a fixed bridge. Let's say, for example, a tooth is missing like this. Okay? If, for example, the teeth on both sides of them have never had anything done to them, our primary way that we're going to go is a dental implant because we don't want to do anything to these adjacent teeth. Anytime we start touching things, it can become a problem down the road, so it's best to try to maintain them the way they are. But let's say these have fillings in them, or if they have old crowns that are on there and they need to be replaced, we can take those off, and then we can do what's called a fixed bridge. So a fixed bridge is, it's kind of hard to show, but it's actually this, okay? And what it does is that the teeth adjacent to that space are actually prepared and reshaped. We take an impression with it with our optical scanner, and it's like it's a camera that goes in the mouth, and it prepares a three-dimensional scan. And then from there, our laboratory will actually fabricate a 3D printed model here, if you can see that, and then they can manufacture this all porcelain zirconia bridge. Okay, and so that looks good. It allows light to be transmitted through it, and then when it goes in the mouth, it gets cemented in place. This one doesn't fit it, but it would go in the mouth and then it gets cemented in place, and it should last many, many years. Okay, and then we do make it from this, and then the laboratory, like I say, makes a 3D printed model, and it fits over that, it gets cemented in place, and it becomes very functional for that purpose. The only issue with it is that we have to work on the adjacent teeth. In those appropriate cases, that's the option, and you have to clean underneath it, which becomes a little bit more work, but you have to clean around your teeth anyway, so that's all important. So if there's any questions about fixed bridge or any other way of replacing your teeth, please give us a call at 586-247-350. Thank you and have a blessed day.